Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. I'm falling down the road.
Clear. Not that slick.
Any slicker than this, I'm going to have to get my magnet shoes out. There's water in there. Really too wet to get anything to stick to it, but it is going. That should do that. Got a feeling we're going to have to put a shield here, because the water will come in, bounce up there. Stuff on the side here.
I don't get any on me.
I got the poo on me, like Joe Dirt.
Yeah.
This roof is slick. See all these cracks right here?
Oh, we cover up the skylights.
Yeah, there's no skylights.
Just there in the ceiling.
Alright, a little bit.
There you go.
There you go. Ta-da! It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw and think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.